Our journey began on Tuesday, June 11th, 2024. We left 𝐸𝐵𝐵𝐶 town by vehicle for Kanduanam, where we would take a boat up the Sepik River and then follow the Karawari River to Masandanai village. Miss Christine Gawi, a retired nurse and local businesswoman from Masandanai village, made our journey up the Karawari River possible by assisting us with logistics and hospitality. Our outboard motorboat journey started at 3:30 p.m. after we were dropped off by the vehicle at the waterfront in Kanduanam. Leaving the main Sepik River, we took a shortcut, following a river that would take us upstream to Masandanai and then to the main Karawari River. On our way, we met friendly villagers who stopped us to offer some fresh water fish they had just caught. We thanked them for this great blessing and continued our journey, spending the night at Masandanai Seventh-day Adventist Church. The next morning, our journey continued towards Auwim village, located a few miles from the border between East Sepik and 𝐸𝐵𝐵𝐶 provinces. On our way, we passed the famous Karawari Lodge and the well-known ferry Sepik Spirit. We left Masandanai village at 10 a.m. and arrived at Auwim village to visit their school. We were accompanied by the senior school inspector of East Sepik province, Mr. Johnson Hapma, and the director of Adventist Education Services in Sepik Mission, Mr. Lansdowne Wirisai. Leaving our boats, we walked another 30 minutes to reach the village of Auwim. As we approached, the sound of kundu drums and traditional songs filled the air. The locals welcomed us with singing and led us to the meeting place. Their excitement was palpable, as this visit marked the first time a government official had set foot in their village since 1975. The village desperately needed proper education facilities, as the nearest schools were far away, leading to a high illiteracy rate. Our visit was to inspect Auwim SDA school for the school to be registered. Basic health care was another vital need, addressed to some extent by Christine Gawi and her sister Linda Lalo, who volunteered to provide basic medical supplies for malaria and other common illnesses. We are deeply grateful to Masandanai Seventh-day Adventist Church, Mr. and Mrs. Singafi, for their immense contributions towards the newly built school, the SDA Company Church, and the volunteer missionary Justin Wani. It takes a tremendous heart to make such sacrifices for the people of Karawari and Auwim. We are incredibly thankful for Miss Christine Gawi and Mrs. Linda Lalo's dedication to the people and communities along this area. We pray that the Lord blesses them abundantly so they can continue serving the people in Auwim, Masandanai, and Karawari as a whole.